Yo, chat, what's going on? Guys, what's going on? Yo, but anyways, what's up, guys? There's a storm happening under my appearance. So yeah, there's a windstorm that's like severely strong. I don't know about you guys if you have it worse. If y'all have the windstorm worse than I do, that's bad. Like, bro. Oh, whoa, shit. Woo! Jesus. Yo. Yo. What the freak? Why is it so windy? Whoa. What the freak? Oh my god. Woo! Woo! Oh my god! Oh! Oh my god! Oh! What's going on over there? No, I don't know what to like. I just don't know what to say to you guys. But I just am so shocked. I'm so shocked right now. Yo. Pretty much shocked due to the storm. Look at the umbrella, bro. Yo. Bro, my neighbor's umbrella is broken. Like, bro, that's my friend Mason's umbrella. Got destroyed. While there is a lot of things to uncover from this windstorm, that this weather is shockingly dangerous. If it's double. If the wind was double, it would definitely be very dangerous. Chat, I don't know what to say to you guys. But it's windy on Halloween. That makes it fit in perfectly. Speaking of Halloween, it's Halloween. If I post it after Halloween, I didn't mean to say Halloween after I posted it after Halloween. Or I just don't know what I'm talking about. What the freak? Jesus. Whoa. Yo. Oh my god. We're gonna take down umbrellas. Why is there a car squealing? How did it wait like 12 minutes for the city bus to come? So I came back a little bit early. No, I came back a little bit late. So these clouds just I couldn't even imagine yesterday, bro. Oh no, wait, that was 2 days ago. Yeah, sorry. Because yesterday some dumbass kid fucking sprained my arm. And I smashed my knee super hard on the floor because he pulled me down. Well, I'm not sure, but he was in the way. I still forgive him. What's with those nests? Oh, Jesus. Yo. Cool. Yo, this is very crazy, bro. Bro, you need to like and subscribe. Like and subscribe, just like always, guys. And peace out.